Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer and our Colorado Cargo Trailers. This is one of our awesome 8.5 by 28 Colorado Cargo Trailers. We specialize in multi-use units here. This unit's insulated with windows, power, AC, you have a generator box, battery, whole lot more. You guys can view all of our inventory at getmytrailer.com or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com, and we ship. So if you're watching us and you're nowhere near Colorado, it's all good. We can ship the trailer right to your door for a very reasonable rate. This one again is in our 8.5 by 28. It's in our thicker aluminum skin. This is our metallic platinum. It's a beautiful silver color. You do have the Blackout package as well, so you've got the all black trim instead of silver there. Black wrapped corners. You've got a rounded upper cap. Nice diamond plate rock art along the bottom. Nice big heavy duty extended triple tube tongue as well. It's good for gives you a better turning radius, we'll say. You also have a generator box and platform right there, so you've got a place for that generator to ride. This one's stock number 15735. Side door's been moved back a little bit. It does have the RV lock and cam bar, plus you've got a window so you can see who's outside and let some more additional light on the interior. You do have party lights on both sides of this trailer, which is an upgraded bonus, so you guys can see these awesome party lights. These are LED, are on both sides of your trailer. You also have an exterior GFI outlet, as this is equipped with power. That's that little box right there. And then here's your goods right here. You've got two 7,000-pound torsion spread axles, brakes on all fours, a heavy-duty 8-lug 16-inch tire and wheel, and this trailer is going to give you an additional 4 inches of ground clearance, as this does have our lift on it as well. So you've got the best of both worlds right here. You've got the torsion spread, what's going to cut down on wagging and swaying, and then a little bit more ground clearance so you guys can get back and off grid and off the roads a little bit further. Stabilizer jacks underneath the back, so you've got the extra stability there. Rear ramp door, spring assist close, of course, and you've got a transition flap to help with those lower profile vehicles. You also have a dovetail in the back. So we've got a 7-foot interior height. It's going to give you guys 6'9" at the rear ramp door there with that dovetail, which is kind of a bonus if you guys have taller UTVs out there. We also equipped this with the awning door. This is an awesome multi-use door. You guys can use it as an escape door for cars, escape door for UTVs, lots of ventilation. We sit underneath ours in the summer and use it for shade. So again, great multi-purpose door there. It does have the window in it. And then here's the other party lights off this side of the trailer. This is an insulated unit, so it's insulated walls and ceiling. And then we finished it out with the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. It's easy to take care of and keep clean. You also have the performance Nudo floor with Maxx. This is the same exact floor that we use in our off-road trailers. It's set up to last. And you've got 6 D-rings in here as well for some tie-down points. Now again, 7-foot interior height in here. And let's talk about power and lighting to kind of give you guys an idea of that. This unit is equipped with a battery. So you've got your battery with a battery box and a battery charger, and that is a great little feature because that's going to run all of your exterior lighting that we looked at. So party lights off both sides, as well as those load lights. And then you've got a grip of lights in here. We did 5 little puck lights on each side. And these little guys are also going to be ran with this battery and battery box and battery charger. So you can have light on the inside and outside of your trailer without having to be plugged into a generator or an extension cord or your vehicle. It's just a nice, easy, simplified feature. Now this also gives you 30 amp service again, so you've got this nice big long cord. You pop that through your cord port right there, go plug into the generator that you stick on the tongue. You can also plug into an extension cord or a campground or the racetrack, wherever you can bring power into the trailer, and that's going to power up your interior outlets. So you've got 5 interior outlets in here. There's another one in the back, the exterior GFI outlet. And that's also going to bring power into your 4-foot LED lights. So you've got 2 of these guys as well, recessed up here in the corners on each side. So again, you're going to have a grip of light in here. If you guys really need to pull a vehicle in here or something and work on it, you will have the light to do it. And that's also going to power up your AC unit. This is a Dometic 13.5 BTU unit. We recommend a 3,000 watt generator or larger, so you guys know to run that guy right there. So you do have some climate control in here as well. And then we do have an interior step well. Again, smaller window there. And then towards the back here, we did 4 of our larger windows. So you've got 2 on each side. This one's actually up in, as you guys can see, the awning door, which is great because you can have it closed and have 4 nice windows back here across from each other as well. They are screened, they are tinted, they're lockable, so great multi-use window for that. And here's just another shot of your D-rings, your flooring. Again, 3-year factory warranty. I believe this trailer weighs 5,500 pounds. you're gonna have somewhere around an 8,000 or 9,000 pound payload capacity. So this is a heavy duty unit, and you guys can view all of our specs and more information again at getmytrailer.com. Send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. Give us a call, 303-688-8485. And again, we ship, or you can purchase any of our units right online as well. Trailer purchasing should be simple, easy process. We like to keep it simple here at Colorado Trailers. So here it is. And if you're watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.